Hi YouTubers, today I'm gonna show you my new LED strip. Actually it's called neon LED strip because you don't see the LED heads. It's covered with like a silicone type material, and because of that you will see like a very smooth lighting effect. If you go further you will see like very nice, because not like my other LED lights, this one doesn't show the LED head, so because of that you can use this strip anywhere, just facing up, so you don't need to hide the light. So that's the cool thing about it. And it got 99 patterns which you can configure. I quickly show you a couple of patterns. Let me show you my app. So basically you can control this via the app. So these are the patterns you can select. So let's say I'll show you that. So if I select this, it's gonna do that. If I select this, it's gonna do that, this, and also there are custom modes. This is the automatic mode, which you can select different type of modes. Then you can set automatic to run automatically all the 100 patterns. So basically it got 100. Yeah, I think it's 100. Let me check, double check. Yes, it's 100 patterns there. So so basically in this feature you can select which patterns you like the most, and then you can put into the top wheel, and then you can set auto just to run that part. So basically I like mostly turn on all the time, not switched off. I don't want the black off mode, so I select everything's on mode but it's running light. So it is really cool that. And I want to show you, this is the lowest bright setting, so you can basically set the, if you set it to the highest, you won't believe it's very bright, literally can light whole room. So because it's too bright, I used to keep the minimum. So you can switch it off if you go lowest. So for me this is better, the lowest setting. Yeah, like if it is too bright, it's good for like party time. You got a music mode as well, so you can select different music type modes. I can show you that. So I don't have a music right now, it's midnight, I don't want to make a noise, but yeah, you can select. Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, so it's worked for my phone, you can see. So I'm tapping my phone, so it's detecting the sound from my phone, and then it show. So so you got different modes, like See, so it's dancing according to the music. But day-to-day use, I don't use that. I like to use my auto mode. There are some multicolor mode as well, so there is pre-made ones, so you can select any of the pre-made will run. Like that. There are lots. Static mode. This is the static mode, static green mode, static blue mode. A lot. Even you can create your own. Oh, there's another cool feature I want to show you, that is photo mode. So basically, wherever your phone pointing, look, I'm gonna point this one to my, let's say this green. So then you will see my lights coming green. Auto mode. Sorry, I was in the auto mode. So look, you will see it's getting green. Let me show you this. Right. So look, now I'm pointing to my wall is white, so the lights are white. And wherever I'm taking, let's say black, this is my screen switched off. You see the light switched off because it's black. And then as soon as bring my phone up, my phone is off as well. 1 second, let me turn on. Alright, so now as soon as I bring up, you see lights on, off, on, off, on. Because when you select black, it's off and wall is on. So it's really cool. And then let's see red color. Alright, this is my lava lamp, it's pink. So you see the light is coming pink. It's really cool feature, really cool feature. So I'm gonna put back to my auto mode. Okay, let me do that to auto mode. Then as soon as you go auto mode, it will pick up my favorite not look, this is what I don't like this. So it's pick up the auto mode of the 100. It's picking up the random patterns from the 100 wheel. So that's not what I really need. I do really need the other way around. So I'm gonna stop that, select the middle wheel and then press auto. So now you see it's going just only couple of 1, 3, 8, 11, 17, 1, 3, 8, 11, 17. So this is the mode I like. Alright, I think that'll be